دلع الرعر
كان وين دري دلع ايوه يسوق waxay dilacayeen oo yiri iyagu xaasaduunan cunayn qayb baa ma isaga dhigay waxa saad deeynba ka goyama
ha soo buuha
wada u bilaabi doona
xabad kale in iraad qalada humaan ku darsado
oo macaanaysa
waa macaan suugada kan laga saaro bahal baa ka yaacaysa waxa yaacayna waxaan ka baqayaa inuu hadu taxano wasa dhalaamo tahay wali dhul dilaacay marka oo
kaso yiri waaso
waxa cad waa maxay
وجهه وصفوي
ها
وقتي بقى حقوده
نكون حقوده وين كان صدق هذا نوصل المنطقة. If I plant this, will it come? Ha ha.
Yeah, because I never want this to end.
oo de agtiisa meeshii in ku dhili kambadii haddaba de ka fiicaneed aragtay
ها
dhagtiisa dhulka sii
ها ها
gelgeli
حرام ما في عنده يقول في عنده
Xeradhan way fiican tahay.
هذه توفى ولا بدون كان
Why? Because they're round. He likes them.
I don't know where they are.
Oh, it's true. In here, there's like 3. Dhowr xabaa meeshan ka baxaya.
اه
Good today.
حبتين زوج حرام ما حرام يعني كمان
Egg, another round one.
كمان بيرة يسه
Kan
كيف وجيت يعني كيف
Well, aasiun haddana soo.
أما أسود أنا يقول لكن معنا
Malaaqyadu soo
كاسة قدر كاسة ماشى من بيرهيد
roobku sugayo roobkii waa inuu ka helo bas intaa ku filan cabdo
هي فروم
We got red sweet potato as well. It's not doing as good. The red one. Yay! You can't imagine how delicious this is. 1 per pot, huh? Just to preserve them. Into now I'm dirty. There's like this Chawan method that I saw on TikTok. Someone sent to me. Can hadii beer Chawan la geliyo.
this style too
Yeah, we're gonna taste this red one because Mom and I have a debate. Which is sweeter, the red or the white? I'm convinced the white is sweeter. If you let it cook really, really long, it gets sweeter.
I like the red one
Sweet potato. I wanted to put the sweet potato in one of these pots, but I won't be able to harvest it if I put it in a cement pot. So, thanks to Instagram and TikTok, this is the project today. There we go. And if you guys think I'm crazy, I'm gonna show you the little clip that I saw or that someone sent to me and told me to try this out. I'll give you guys an update in a few months when we got sweet potatoes growing in our home garden. I'm gonna get made fun of. Every neighbor that comes in is gonna be like, what the heck? We'll see. Potato lovers, you will be welcome once you see the final results. All right.